Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a beauty video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these mini braids. Last week I did a tutorial on mini twists and I took those out today, and so I just washed my hair and I did these braids. I feel like this intro is getting very long, so yeah, if you want to do these braids too, keep watching this video. So I'm going to be starting off using Suave's Cream Detangler spray, and I'm just spraying that on the section that I'm about to braid. This is how my hair looks. I just got done washing it. I washed my hair with apple cider vinegar and water. I don't use any shampoo. And now I'm just going in with the leave-in conditioner. So I take a little bit, put it on my hand, rub it in, and now I'm just going to work it all the way through this section. And my hair is parted in 4 sections, so I'm just doing the back section. And now I'm going in with my wide tooth comb and just combing my hair thoroughly. Now I'm going to use the Suave Curl Defining Cream. And then I just take a small piece of hair and I apply the cream to my hair, and now I'm just going in with my tangle teaser and just really trying to make sure it's no tangles in my head whatsoever. I take 3 pieces of that small piece of hair and I just begin braiding. And you want to make sure these pieces are small because you're doing mini braids, so not too small to where like it causes knots in your hair, but not too large. And when I get to the bottom, I just twist the ends of my hair. I don't like braiding my hair all the way to the bottom. And now I am literally just going to repeat that all over my head. So I just take a small piece, make sure it's really detangled, and then I take my 3 sections and I begin braiding. Now I'm going in with the Define and Shine Serum Gel, and I just put that all over the front of my hair and on the top of my hair. And I take my edge toothbrush and just brush backwards, but you can brush however you want to. And I just do that until my edges are slick to how I like them. And that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani.